Sp-Asthmatic Chef here. Today I am going to do something really fun. I'm going to do a summer soup with a lot of vegetables and some of the stuff out of my garden, and I'm going to make a salad. So a soup and salad with the same kind of ingredients, fresh, healthy, easy. Thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, and let me know what you think. Okay, here we go. I've prepped up a few items to save some time. We'll start off by heating the oil. Add the garlic. A little bit of green onions. And then we'll get a few herbs out of the garden. Some basil, some oregano, some fresh thyme, and peppers. I've got a few things ready to go. We'll add some cherry tomatoes I've cut in half and start sauteing those. Add some asparagus and green beans. Cut up some of the fresh herbs and get those ready to go. I still have the pepper to cut, so I'll get that done now. We'll add the peppers and zucchini. Clean the corn off the cob. And throw that into the soup as well and get that started. After sauteing about a minute, add about a cup of water. Give it a good stir and let it simmer. Now we'll add about 1 cup of already cooked quinoa and just mix that in. Now we'll add some fresh herbs. Add a squirt of lemon juice, some salt and pepper, and enjoy. Now we'll move on to the salad. I've left a little of each ingredient so I can make a salad with it. For a quick dressing, I used a little orange juice, olive oil, and lemon. Very easy, whip it together and just add. Tastes great. You can also add a few fresh herbs to it if you like. Summer sunshine in a couple bowls. Enjoy! Here is the soup. It is ready. Can't wait to try it. It is so hot outside. You know, they say sometimes if you eat something hot, when it's hot, it'll cool you down. We'll find out, won't we? It looks fantastic. Look at this. Isn't that delish? Oh yeah, I think you guys are gonna love this. This is really good. It's super light, super healthy. The quinoa adds a nice little touch. The fresh herbs, you can taste everything. This is really good. Now, the salad, I added a little bit of extra, I put a little feta. I'm not a vegan, I'm a vegetarian, and I put some almonds. But the salad is all the same ingredients except a little dressing that I showed you and the nuts and the cheese. It's so good. Orange, olive oil, lemon juice, and fresh herbs. It's simple and delicious. Tastes like sunshine. It's good. Okay, here we go. Thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and I will see you guys on the comment side. Bye-bye!